Hi everyone, welcome back. Just a short video on this 300 series VX. Something a little bit different. We fitted one of our false floors with a lift out hatch. We removed the third row seats, which are down there. They actually weigh 40 kilos, so it's a fair bit of weight to come out. And then on this side, we've just fitted one of our fridge slides with a slide out table. With the 12 volt, we've just fitted this iTechworld Go Further. It's got a 25 amp charger, 150 amp hour battery, and heaps of like inputs and outputs. Yeah, it's pretty much it. Any questions? Leave a comment or give us a hoy.